teeth?
What's a what, sorry?
What's a bear with no teeth?
Bear.
A bear with no teeth?
Just say what?
What?
A gummy bear.
A gummy bear.
It's a joke.
Is that your new joke? Can you tell Nanny that joke? What's a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear.
But Nanny's picking you up today. Is that okay?
Tell Nanny the joke. What's a bear with no teeth?
A poop.
No. Do you have more jokes?
Yes. Do you want to change in the card?
It's from the card, is it? That's from my present. He's taking my jokes.
I was teaching her a lot, but the other ones are too long to say, isn't it, baby?
Okay.
This one's the easiest one.
Dad,
Yes.
well, we get all of it out and see there might be ones that are easier.
For you?
Yeah. Your joke is there too. The guts is there.
That's a classic.
Say that joke.
That's the greatest joke ever.
What is it? What's it?
Why do skeletons? Daddy.
Well, skeletons aren't right.
Why?
Because
They
they have...
have guts.
They don't have guts.
Good job, princess. Alright, your breakfast is ready. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful. Sus, kabuyag. Kabuyag. Sa gwapa nga hindi. Hello, gwapa. Hello, everyone. I'm gwapa hindi. Happy Tuesday. Ay, 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 ay. Naglalaro sila ni Kuya. Ang saya nila tingnan. Nakaalis na si Ayla, guys. Kakaalis lang. Hey. Hey. You want mama? Can you say mama? Mama. Can you say mama's name? No? Can you say Indy? Indy. Can you say Ayla? Okay. Can you say daddy? Daddy. Can you say daddy's name? Yes. Can you say Kuya? Kuya? Kuya. Yeah. Can you say Kuya's name? Yeah. Watch out! Kuya's leg! Dumi na ng cast ni Arlo. See? Pero papalitan to today, guys. He will come back to the doctors today. Aren't you, mate? Yeah. And hopefully, palitan nila ng full cast. Yung as in tabon talaga lahat. Kasi alam nyo ba yung ginawa niya kagabi? Natanggal niya to, guys. So, ito, nandito na sa baba. Nakaganon na. So, dito parang, it made it halfway. Tinanggal niya. Parang ginaganon-ganon niya lang ba? Tapos, ayun, bumaba yung cast niya. Si Ayla yung nakapansin. Na? Buti na lang si ate na paka-alisto ng ate natin, no? Si ate yung nagsumbong, Mami, look! Mami, look! Itong batang to. Pero yeah, papalitan to today. Kasi nga, diba, nung pumunta sila nung Monday, hinaf-cast lang nila, ginanito lang nila. Kasi baka daw mag-swell pa. Pero hindi naman siya nag-swell na. But yeah. Oy, that's Mommy's coffee. Oy, alo! May, please be careful with the sword. Oh, papunta talaga sa kape ko yung batang bail. It's Mommy's coffee. Alo, careful with the sword, please, mate. dami naming white rice pa guys na natira. Uy! So, brown rice na yung ginagamit namin, guys. Pero, meron pa ako. Ito na lang yung last. So, yung ginagawa ko ngayon, minimix ko yung brown rice at saka white rice kapag nagluluto ako ng rice.
Orange toy.
Orange toy? Yeah.
Yeah.
You can have this.
Mommy, just show it orange.
Then, 39 na guys ng umaga. Let's have some cheese muffins. Oh my gosh, gumagalaw ang hindi ko. Ay, wag mo na, babe. Agoy, nagising na. Ayun na nga. At babang na. Ay. Bumangon na nga. Wait, puntahan ko muna. Ah! Hindi. Ooh! One, two, You like it? 1, 2. Clapping, clap, clap. Aw, beautiful baby. Love you. Where's the guys? Where's the guys? Oh no. Do this. 1, 2, 3. Can you do that? Can you? You ready to eat? Lunchtime. Do. Mama. Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Eating time. Come on, mommy, get food ready. Mommy will get the food ready.
Mommy, I have pants.
Huh?
I have pants.
Pants?
Yes.
Ready? Yay!
Mommy.
Yes. Ready?
Yummy,
Alright, ang aming ulam ay... Uy, ano nangyari?
yummy.
Tortang talong! Susubuan ko lang si Arlo kasi para makakain ng talong talaga. Dalawa yung kutsara ko kasi yung isa pang subo sa kids. Yung isa para sa akin. Kasi maglalagay ako ng ketchup guys and medyo maanghang. Wait sa hindi. Kunin natin yung... Yeah. Excited na yung anak ko, diba? Kunin natin yung talong. Yummy. Oh, dito na siya. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. Wait sa. Kasi pag ginayaan ko to si Arlo, rice lang kakainin. Hindi kakainin yung ano. Ulam. Good job, Indy.
Yummy in my tummy. Yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy tummy. In my tummy.
Good job. Leave it, leave it, leave it. That's a spicy spoon. It's okay, hindi. Busugin ko muna tong dalawang to. Saka ako makakain. Yummy. One, two, three. Yummy.
Let me see the chocolate bar. Oh, okay. Let me make a chocolate bar.
Yeah. Good eating, Inde. Look at Inde.
I'm the Indie.
Good job, India. Kois. What time is it? Now. It's time to cut your nails. Come here. Come closer. Is it?
Yeah.
Uy. Fuck it. Do you want me to cut your nails too? I just cut your nails. Your nails are good. Nice nails, girl. Come here, Kois. Come on. Come here, Kois. Outside the rug.
Outside the what?
Yeah. We can't have nails on the rug. We can't see it. This way, Mac. This way. In there. No. Agoy, ang batang bael. Tuara na. Here, this way, this way. Look, look, look. No. Where's Daddy? Oh, Daddy, Daddy. Daddy, where's Daddy? Oh no, Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming. Look, Daddy. Daddy. Where's Daddy? Oh no. Oh no, where's Daddy? Come here, Alo. Oh no, who's that? Who is it? Right, come here, Alo. Hurry up so you can cut your nails. Come on. So, balik nga to sila ng hospital mamaya.
Does my black jumper upstairs? He's doing it.
Is it in the, maybe hand? Or upstairs, depends. What did I do?
Don't take my tiny one.
Hmm?
Don't take my tiny one.
Okay, itong cast niya, natatanggal niya guys. Natatanggal niya talaga. Bail kasi itong batang to.
Oh, Arlo broke his leg. This is it.
Uh-oh. Got my bum. I got my bum.
You can try and put her in the walker, Mama. So, ayun sinasabi ko kanina. Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na, guys. Feeling ko parang nasabi ko na itong sasabihin ko. Pero punta sila ng hospital ngayon. So, ngayon yung parang 1 week, ano niya. Here, kami, Alo. Yeah, I will cut it. Nilagay yung cast niya Monday afternoon. Tapos Tuesday na tayo today. So, ito yung parang, ano, after 1 week visit niya. Hold on. Another foot.
Okay. Bum, fishy, bum, bum. Bum. Bum, bum. Bum.
Done. See? Easy. Yay. Now mommy needs to vacuum. Nag-edit ako kanina, tapos ko na ma-edit, na-upload ko na guys, na-edit ko na yung thumbnail, na-schedule ko na. Tapos biglang nakita ko sa phone ni Daddy na meron pala siyang mga clips nung Sabado na hindi ko na-include. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys, kasi nasasayangan ako. Hindi siya vlogger, yung ating Daddy. But, when it comes to the house, lalo na kapag hindi ako nakakapunta, vini-video niya guys, tapos para talaga siyang nagva-vlog. Ang galing-galing niya. Like, paunti-unti lang naman ng mga updates siyang ginagawa. So, nung Sabado, yung ginawa niya is yung front yard, diba? Not front yard, backyard. Kasi yung front yard tapos na nilagyan namin ng, nilagyan niya nung wood chips or yung mga bark or however you wanna call it. It's to, may mga nagtatanong pala kung para saan yun. It's to hopefully prevent the grass from growing. So, nilagyan namin ng trapal, tapos nilagyan ng wood chips para hindi lumabong yung grass. Kasi, kapag hinayaan mo yun, mag-ano guys, tutubo yung mga grass. Tapos hindi siya kasi ganun ka-level yung front yard. So, mas okay, mas prefer namin na low maintenance lang siya. So, kaya namin siya ginanon. And sa backyard naman, kung nasaan yung pool, ganun, yun yung ginawa ni Daddy noong Sabado. Insert ko yung clip niya kasi nag-vlog siya guys. Ang cute-cute niya.
Morning everyone, today is Saturday and I've been working for about an hour. Just started trimming the grass edges, so I've done a bit of weeding as well. They're still working on getting the pool clean. As you can see, it's still pretty dirty, but it's clear, so that's all just dirt and muck on the bottom, so that should be taken care of in next week. So I'm just filling up the pool at the moment, which will probably take a few more hours. But this all should be cleaned by this week. It should be crystal blue. One bin filled with green rubbish. Still a bit more gardening to do. I'll be here for about 4 hours today just doing gardening. Okay, I've finished this part of the backyard. So I've done all the edging. I gave the pool another quick clean. I mowed the lawns again. Just giving it just a general tidy up. I still got grass in the garden beds to do around there. That I'll get rid of. That's just old palm tree branches. I've done some weeding in that section, and tomorrow and over the week I'll paint these doors here. These 3 doors are getting installed. Clean up this area. That door's getting thrown away. So almost there. We'll start advertising it probably hopefully next Thursday, and hopefully we find a tenant quickly.
And then nung linggo, ginawa niya naman yung doors. So pininturahan niya yung mga pinto. Nandun siya for ilang oras lang kasi nga may lunch kami nung linggo, diba?
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun.
So I've just given this a first coat. It's probably going to take several coats because this is it's a green colour. These are exterior doors, so I think it's going to take 3 or 4 coats to get the colour we need. So one done. I'll head over to this one, and yeah. Okay, I've applied a few coats of white still more to go. I might just keep on going and for another hour and see how much I can do. But you can still see a lot of the blue coming through. So still, yeah, it's taken a lot of coats. And the pool's filling up at the moment. That's all the salt that's going in tomorrow.
House update. Malapit na siya guys. Malapit na siya. As Dan mentioned sa isa sa mga clips, i-advertise namin siya this week. So, pag napanood nyo tong video na to, it's already up. Kasi yung upload ng video ko is 1 week. 1 week later. That's how my scheduling works. So, it's already in the market now for rental. Yun yung goal kasi namin na gawin lahat ng kailangan gawin para ma-advertise na namin siya agad-agad. Kasi we don't know how long it will be in the market, you know? What do you want? Kasi hindi natin alam kung gaano ka competitive ang rental market. Like, it depends. Pero, Meron kasi kaming pool. And alam ko, may mga, I don't know kung ako lang guys. Kasi kung ako, ayoko talaga ng pool. Alam nyo yan. Ilang beses ko na yung sinabi, ayoko ng pool. So kung magre-renta man ako, pipiliin ko yung walang pool. So kung ako yung magre-renta, hindi ko re-rentahan tong bahay namin. So, it depends, you know. Kasi, yeah, may mga factors to consider. But yeah, we're getting there. Lugo may buboy guys. Nakabihis na yan. Kanina pa yan nakabihis. Mga alauna siguro nakabihis na tong buboy ko. And inano ko na nga. Kinat ko na yung nails. Alam nyo ba? Kung anong nangyari. Alam nyo ba? Hindi pala today ang kanyang check-up. My goodness. Buti na lang chinek ko before makaalis si Dan. Chinek ko ulit yung message para i-forward ko siya kay Dan. Kasi may instructions dun kung saan pupunta. And sabi nung message, Wednesday, hindi Tuesday. My gosh. Alam nyo bang, ay nako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ang sa isip ko Tuesday. Kasi, I think, na-receive ko tong message na to nung Thursday ata or nung Friday. May schedule sana ako ngayon guys na binook ko matagal na for my car service. Naplano na namin ni Dan kung anong gagawin namin for car service na booking ha. And ni-reschedule ko na to. Itong 2 days sana. Kasi yung original schedule ko sana for my car service was last Tuesday. Kaya nga lang, nabalian ng buto ito nung Sunday ng gabi. Tapos, nilagyan ng cast nung Monday. So, syempre, hindi ako makapunta sa car service ko kasi kailangan kong iwan yung car ko. Paano na yung dalawa? Diba? Paano na yung dalawa? So, kinailangan ko siyang i-move to today. So, minove ko na siya. Tapos, naplano na namin ni Dan. Ito yung gagawin natin. Ito yung gagawin. Naplano na lahat. Tapos, nung mga Thursday or Friday, naka-receive ako ng message na sa Tuesday. Yun nga yung pagkakaakala ko sa Tuesday. Ngayon, yung kanyang appointment. So, all this time, akala ko Tuesday. So, yung ginawa ko, kinancel ko na naman yung car service ko today. And nirebook ko for next Tuesday. Pangalawang reschedule ko na to. Kasi nung binasa ko yung message, yun talaga yung pag-aakala ko guys today. Tapos nag-send sila ulit sa akin ng another reminder. Akala ko talaga Tuesday din. Buti na lang pag-check ko kanina, sinend ko kay Dan. Sabi ko, hala, Wednesday yung sabi. May sabi talaga guys, when. Sabi ko, babe, pasensya ka na. Oh my gosh, sorry talaga. Kasi may mga appointments siyang minove para ma-accommodate to. Tas ako talaga yung mali. But it's okay naman. Sabi niya, walang problema. So, bukas yung kanyang appointment, guys. My God. Buti na lang, hindi pa sila nakaalis nung nakita ko. Kasi hindi. Ang dami kasing tumatakbo sa isip ko, be. Yung mental load ba? Hindi na kinaya. Ay, no, hindi na kinaya ng aking brain. Hindi na talaga kinaya. Nagkabuang-buang na. Makikita niyo yung calendar ng phone ko. Araw-araw may dots. Not necessarily like to go out and do stuff, like not necessarily errands, but like reminders and like stuff to do. It's full and my mind is full. And now it's not working properly sa dami ng pinag-iisip natin. I know it's not working, my brain, Alo. I'm sorry, Alo.
What's not working again?
Because it's full. It's too full. It's too full.
My brain's full. You did it.
Your brain is full a little bit?
And I don't need to hold it. It doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt?
I don't need to do this.
You don't need to do that? Yeah. That's good. Is your brain good?
Yeah.
That's good. I'm happy. So, sabi ko kay Dan, my gosh, kung natingnan ko lang talaga ng ayos, wala na. Tapos na yung car service ko. Ipipick up na natin yung car ko ngayon. So, na-schedule ko na. So, next week na naman yun. Ay, nako. Sumisilip talaga siya. Gusto niya talaga sa kanya lang ang camera. Ano ba? May kwento ka ba? Ano sabihin mo sa guys? Yeah? Sabi niya, kung nagsasalita lang ako guys, intindihan na siguro ni Mami. Sabi ko kay Mami na Wednesday man not man Tuesday. Yeah, Mommy's wrong now.
Yeah. You're tricking, Mommy.
Huh?
You're tricking.
I'm not tricking.
That's all.
No, I'm not joking. I got it wrong.
Yeah.
My brain? Sabi niya, you're tricking about your brain. Nah. My brain is full, Alo. There's too much happening in our life.
And you finish food and your brain is holding.
If I finish my food, my brain will not hurt? I finish my food all the time. I don't like wasting food. So, bukas na. Okay, final na talaga. Wednesday talaga yung sabi. Tapos sabi ko pa, mali to sila. Kasi yung recent text nila yung parang recent reminder nila yung isisend ko kay Dan. Sabi ko, mali to. So, binalikan ko yung original message nila. So, yung original message nila is, so yung last text nila is 10th of the 9th, 2025. Tapos yung pangalawang text na talaga is wed 10th of September. Yung sabi. Tapos na-receive ko to nung Friday. Bakit hindi ko nakita na Wednesday, 10th of September? Sorry naman. Oh, good?
Yes, my mom.
So, don't stop pulling this. Kasi inano na niya naman kanina. Natanggal na naman to. Pinupul niya. Tapos,
I pulled this yesterday.
don't pull it. Yeah, I know you pulled it yesterday and you pulled it again today. Don't pull it. I think they're gonna put like a parang boot, like full cast on.
That doesn't take off.
They will take that off and then replace it with a new one.
As the beautiful one.
Huh?
As the beautiful one.
You want a superhero one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you ask them. I want a superhero leg, please.
Okay.
Okay. Hello guys, it's 5:12. Time to make dinner. I will be making beef pepper rice. Meron daw to sa Jollibee. Hindi ko to naabot. Or baka, sabihin ko sana hindi ko to naabutan. Pero baka naabutan ko siya, hindi ko lang in-order. Alam niyo naman yung paborito ko sa Jollibee, guys. Yung beef steak. Meatballs? No, we don't have meatballs, but I have something really good. It's beef as well. We ran out of meatballs. I need to make more meatballs pala. Anyway, i-follow ko lang yung recipe sa TikTok na nakita ko by Franzie. So, ano daw yung ready na yung ingredients ko eh. Yeah. Pinatulog ko lang si Indy and now I can cook. Meron na akong garlic. Tostahin lang yung garlic. And then, lutuin ko din yung mushroom. Kasi yung mushroom na nagamit niya is pang galing sa can. Yung akin kasi hilaw talaga na mushroom. So, after ko yung garlic, lutuin ko din yung mushroom din. Ay, ang bango na agad. Wala pa nga. Bango! This looks good, guys. Ang bango-bango na. Okay na to. Parang sarap lagyan ng mani. Tapos magluto na ng mani dito. Kunin ko lang to. Tapos lagay ko yung mushroom. Lutuin ko din yung mushroom. Okay na din tong mushroom ko, guys. Set aside ko na din to. Because we will be using the same pan the whole way. Ito na yung beef natin, guys. Okay na din to. Nilagyan ko lang ng oyster sauce, black pepper. Tapos hindi ako nakontento. Nilagyan ko ng konting vegeta. But, sarap na yan. Okay na din yan. This is our ulam, guys. Ang sarap. Buyag-buyag. Tinikman ko na and it's so good. Kain tayo na. Ito, anak ko. Kakagising niya lang. Kain agad. Why? Daddy's kain. Kain tayo, guys. Ano nga ulit tawag nito?
Good job, Indy. On my skin.